Hello there one and all, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me. So I'm on Windermere Road today in Reading, not far from the hospital or town, just giving you a little idea of what the surrounding area is like. But let's head on up the garden path. So the door that you can see in front of you is actually for the upstairs apartment. The one I'm bringing you today is the downstairs maisonette, downstairs apartment. Here's your front door, but we're not going to go in that way. I want to show you the garden, because the garden is fantastic. It is a lovely large garden, really great space for after work, chill out in the evening. I'm just going to walk on up the garden path. Now it has been raining a wee bit, so apologies, I'm trying to just stay on the path. But this garden here, a lovely place to sit out and enjoy. And you can see here at the end you've got the greenhouse as well. Just looking back at it, at the property here, what a place it would be as well. Sit out and enjoy, lots of birds around as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to head on in, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you in this way, and this is your kitchen. So coming at the property slightly differently. Personally, I love the marbled quartz worktop, lovely and solid. You've got a gas line just there. There's your gas combi boiler as well, so lovely and warm, really efficient in there, and it's a good, nice, bright space. So as we come out of the kitchen, so down the end of the hall, there's your front door, just there. And in here is your main bedroom. So just standing in the corner there, just to give you an idea of the size. This one here, nice, good sized double bedroom. I've seen these be used as a reception room, with the other room being a main bedroom, but it's these guys work better for them this way round. But so if it's your property, obviously you can change certain bits. Smart heating controls, and then heading on through here, so this is the reception room, and it is a lovely good space. You've got a nice little bay window as well, which lets so much light in. It's fantastic, really good space. Lots of plants in here as well, so lovely and green. But the thing is, it is the space that you're getting in here. Lovely high ceiling as well. You can see, so it feels spacious. It doesn't feel too small or anything like that. What I'm going to do, I'm now going to show you bedroom number 2, which is currently being used as an office. But this is it is a double bedroom. I have seen double beds in here, and this sofa will fold out into a double bed. And then you've got lovely window overlooking your rear garden. And as you can see, as I said, currently being used as a home office. Now here's your bathroom. I love the rustic pull on the toilet flush and for the light switch, but with the sink, lovely deep bath. You've got the extractor fan and window as well, extractor fan and window for it all. And then carrying on down a bit further down the hallway, we've got another storage room. The top of the stairs are there, so that's obviously the stairs going up to the upstairs apartment, and then we're back round to the front. So with this one here, parking's out on the road. There's no parking restrictions, so it's feel free, park on out the front of the property. But the thing is, and I think you'll agree, it's that back garden. The space that you've got in there is absolutely amazing as well. So that's the property. I really want to thank you all for joining me today, and I look forward to responding to any questions. Feel free to ask, and also feel free to request your private viewings. But I want to thank you for joining me, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.